You might have used LSposed on your devices, which basically actually is a Android modification kind of thing where you can install this on your device and you can install some modules. For example, like if you use Magisk versions, Magisk modules, it's almost same like LSposed, which might be good alternative of Xpose. Xpose is no more working with Android 12L or etc. Two modules which I'm going to talk about in this video. Stay tuned. The first one is core patch and second one is update locker. Both of these modules work perfectly fine, and how these modules work and which are these modules, how these things work. The first module is actually core patch. If you enable this module from LSposed, you simply need to enable system framework, nothing else, no app is required. And if you open the app settings, you have the option of allow downgrade, which will basically allows you to downgrade applications. For example, if you have installed the very latest version of any Android app and you want to downgrade the version without uninstalling that, let me just show you as an example. For example, I'm taking Gmail. You can see the version which is listed here and it's updated from Google Play Store, which means I'm using the latest version of Gmail right now on my device. If I want to use the older version than this one, for example, whenever you use older versions, you need to uninstall the previous version, but with the help of this module, you don't need to anymore. If I try to install this older version with this against this official version or maybe the latest version, as you can see, it's app installed, so no issues for me. I can simply install any version from any app. This is something really interesting. This thing is available in some custom homes, by the way, but yes, you can get this thing in almost every device. We also have another Android module, which is LSposed module called update locker. I also got some GitHub app there which was not working perfectly fine, GitHub Magisk module, but this one is working perfectly fine. You simply need to take Google Play Store, and what this app will do, it will block all the updates for that app from the Google Play Store. Basically, it will remove the app from Google Play Store's list. So yes, the app will not be updated anymore. If you want to use any Android app, you don't want to update that app, and yes, you can use this thing very easily. It also have the option for system apps, so which is something perfectly fine for me at least. For example, if you're able to see, I have the Gmail available. I'm just taking it as an example for sure. And we have the Gmail update option there. As you can see, Gmail is not updated. I have update showing right now. And what I can do is I can simply enable this Gmail option from LSposed that module section and select this app. For example, as you can see, I just selected Gmail from here and Gmail is now selected. After selecting Gmail from here, simply need to click on save, and now this app is disabled, which means now you'll be able to use the app for sure, but the app will not be shown in the Play Store. Let me show you. But one thing keep in mind, after doing all these things, you simply need to clear the storage once so that everything works perfectly fine. If I move on to the Google Play Store, check out this, click on my apps and games, and here as you can see, no Gmail available. This is something really good, and these two modules are actually one of the most useful, maybe two of the most useful modules out there. If you want to install these modules on your device, you can. How you can install this thing? Simply install LSposed. How to install LSposed? I have a dedicated video available. I'll try to provide you a link in the description so that you can install LSposed. And installing of modules is not complicated. Install the APK files, activate in Xpose, and you are good to go. Of course, the reboot, and then you're good to go. This is all from today's short and simple video. I hope you like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. I will see you next video. Goodbye.